so the first step is to slice 2 slices of sourdough bread. I love using sourdough bread for BLT because I reckon it adds a bit of gourmet touch to it. But you can also just use white bread, or Turkish bread works really well with BLT. Now, next step we're going to do is slice up some tomatoes. Try use a tomato that's nice and firm. If you use a tomato that's overly ripe and a bit too soft, you're not going to be able to create those nice thin slices, and it's going to make your sandwich really soggy. Next ingredient is some lettuce. So I've just washed up some lettuce and I'm just going to pat it down with a paper towel to remove any excess liquid. As I said before with the tomatoes, I try and remove as much liquid from the vegetables as I can to keep the BLT nice and clean. When there's too much liquid, the sandwich tends to get a bit too soggy. Now moving on to our sauce. A classic BLT uses mayonnaise, but I'm going to level up our BLT today by adding a touch of lemon juice. The lemon juice really adds a bit of acidity to the sandwich, really helps cut through the fattiness of the mayonnaise and the bacon. Most of our ingredients are prepped, so let's move on to the final one, which is the bacon. So preheat a pan over medium heat and drizzle in a bit of olive oil and add in your bacon slices. You want to cook each side of the bacon on medium heat until both sides are golden brown. I'm just going to drain the excess bacon fat on a paper towel. Now, one tip to really take your BLT up to the next level is to toast your slices of bread in the remaining bacon fat in the pan. 1, you can use your bacon fat and incorporate that flavor into the sandwich. And 2, this bread is going to be the most flavorsome bread you're ever going to have. So you just want to toast each side of the bread until they're nice and golden brown. Time to assemble this BLT. So first up, we're going to put a slice of bread on our chopping board, and then get our mayo and spread that generously across our bread. Now, next ingredient we're going to add is our lettuce. Now, the reason why we add the mayo first is to help the lettuce stick onto the bread. Now, the lettuce is going to act like a little bed for the tomatoes to sit on and soak up all those tomato juices. And on top, we're going to add our bacon slices, a final drizzle of our lemon mayo, and of course, our second slice of bread. Now that, my friends, is a BLT that's made with a bit of care and a bit of love. Let's slice this in half and reveal the cross section. Now that's what I call a BLT sandwich.
Cheers. Cheers. Ooh, soggy. Thanks for watching, guys. Give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. If you want to see the next episode, subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell button to get notified of our weekly videos on Simple Cookery. We upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you get more confident in the kitchen.